Hey, my name is Thomas Partridge, and this is Oubliette. You know, today there's some good things going on in this world that make me happy because the good things, you can get a job when you need it, you can get what you need in life, you can get everything you want to get. Just don't do the evil things in the world. That's enough. I can't do anymore.
Yes, it's really kind of hot in here.
Yeah. So you really are a hypnotist?
Yes, why you should come see me.
I've been reading a lot about that. Like, I really
you know
want
what?
to.
I'm so sorry. I really want you to meet someone here.
But I'm just
so sorry
to talk
be
to you
so
real
rude.
quick.
I know. Oh, I know. I don't mean to be rude.
Talk
I'm
again.
sorry. I just don't want you to miss
We should
Hello, Maddie. Lovely home. Thank you. It probably will be one day.
The paint is awful.
It is so. I know. I wonder, what will you do?
It's been so nice seeing you. Cheers.
And so the opera, at first I wasn't sure.
There's a lot of people around here with money. And let's face it, they fly to New York or Chicago to see high art. We should have some here.
You could use this as a platform to start campaigning.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Fundraise.
Maybe.
Yes.
Exactly.
I think it's a good idea.
I think it's a great idea. This is going to really make your reputation.
Wow.
When are you going to show me that pool?
The new one?
There is no. Ladies, he is here. Play it by ear. This is the first announcement. Ladies. The reason we are here has just arrived. But before I introduce him, I want to let you know how happy I am that you are all here in my second home. We bought this second home exactly for things like this, so that me and my husband, can help you and you can help me to help the homeless, because they are so important. They are important and need life. I have waited so long to have a second home, to be able to throw parties like this so that we can help the people. We can help the homeless. So anyway, we're gonna get the AC fixed soon enough and the walls painted, but it doesn't matter, because we are here because we have life. And our life is going to help life. And so thank you so much for coming here today. And without further ado, to give life is Miss Mayor St. Clair. Thank you. I'm really privileged to be here. And really, the real reason we're here is for the funding of the homeless shelter. You are very much a part of that, right? The gatherings like these for the future of Oubliette will continue with our Waterworks, our Waterworks Fund. The Waterworks is another thing that the town will rejoice in, to have part in, to, gather, to raise money.
So the opera, it has been decided. We have two ladies here that seem to know that this is the great idea to have an opera for our Oubliette. And I'd like to introduce Molly and your helper. Is it Courtney? Courtney. Explain to us.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming. I don't know all of you, but my name is Molly Stinson, and I'm the director of Oubliette's Children's Theater. And about a year ago, we had a very important writer bring us a script, and we thought it would be a great fundraiser and a great opportunity for Oubliette to get some opera. So, and there's a huge surprise along with the show. So, and I would like Claudia to make this announcement that I'm sure we're going to have to call some newspaper reporters after this to get the word out. Claudia, take it away.
I'm Courtney.
I'm so.
We've been working so hard. She's getting so flustered. It's okay.
How many times did I say Claudia?
We've probably hardly gotten sleep. We've been working so hard on this.
Yeah.
I know it's been the big secret about who the singer is that's going to make this phenomenal. And her name is Marina Goldoff-Kinski. I know it's not a common name that a lot of people know, but she is from Siberia, which we all know is in Russia, and she's phenomenal. She's going to blow everyone away.
It's an amazing opportunity for our town.
It is. She's known as the voice of the North.
Yes. It wasn't easy convincing an international opera star to come to our town, but she read the script and she agreed with me that it's going to be a major hit, a world wonder. And I'd like to introduce the writer now. Claudius Flambeau is here with us today. And Claudius, would you like to introduce the opera and tell us something about it?
Yes, it's called Beowulf and Salome.
Sir, come with me.
That was wonderful.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
My goodness, how did you even find this woman? It's like in Siberia?
Courtney did a lot of phone calls.
I'm not sure about the whole deal. The opera, Oubliette.
I understand. It'll work out.
And we sent the script all around, but
You
we
know,
really
it's
wanted
fun.
someone important to be in the show.
Yes.
We think this is going to be the biggest fundraiser we've ever done.
Yeah, I felt very lucky to be selected. You know, this is such a great house, and she's so wonderful.
Do you know about opera? I didn't
I
think
was
so.
the one I
Right,
saw
well, I mean,
on
like, I don't
this.
know if Oubliette is ready for an opera.
Terribly sorry about that. It's kind of slippery.
Hey, how are you doing today?
How's the finale coming along?
It's going pretty good, actually. I think it is, yeah.
Do you think we'll be pleased?
I think so, but there's just one concern. People have started asking me, and I'm wondering myself, where's the diva? She's not here yet.
Will you take this?
Sure.
I like what you're doing here.
That's a bunch of hogwash.
Intertwine, pal.